our 2-bowl slush machine. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length of 16¼ inches, a depth of 19 inches. That's counting the back to the front of the waste tray, 19 inches. Overall height of at least 32 inches. Lids can be removed so you can pour your ingredients to create and churn and mix your slush and to dispense. On the bottom are 2 waste trays that can be removed for cleaning, along with 2 of the barrels on top that can be removed and cleaned whenever at your convenience. Included will be a maintenance kit for proper cleaning and maintenance, and your standard 120-110 voltage connection for hookup. And located on the bottom is your ETL NSF certification. Located on the far lower corner is your power switch. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.